Gotta do more than just catch balls, Mark, right? Gotta be able to have hip flexibility, man. Gotta be able to drop that weight. That's it. Let it get over your outside. There you go. No, you ain't hit up on the ground. Good. Hey, shoulder square, right? Eyes up, head up. Let's go. Here we go. Go. Now. Come on. Squeeze it, squeeze it.
Ball always in the outside arm.
Here we go.
Ball
Go.
always in the outside arm.
Run. Running. Low to high. Running. Ball under your running. Low to high. There it is. Go. Okay. Clean your feet up from the start. Clean your feet up. Go. Good. Stay good. Good. Go. 30 seconds. Pretty good day, man. Let's keep working to get better each and every day.
First class on 3, 1, 2, 3.
First class.